The wig is giving what it needs to give.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. Shout out to Julia here, company for sending me this unit, guys. All the specs and everything will be left down below. This unit is absolutely stunning. Now starting off, this was a very easy install, guys. The only thing I did with this unit was co-wash this unit. So this unit did come to me in a middle part style, but I decided to go ahead and do something of like a flip over method, or not even flip over method, just do it without like a significant part. So even right here, you guys will see I didn't kind of make a parting space right here so that this can be kind of like flip over style and just open. Now as far as the baby hair goes, I did do baby hairs, guys, just like right here and right here, just to give like a little bit of character. Initially I was not going to do that on the unit. I was going to leave it just like a plain base look, just because the lace looks very pretty and you don't need it. And you guys kind of see how it just pulls through very nice and soft and pretty. Absolutely love the color on this one. Now I didn't do sideburns right here, but you can go ahead and do sideburns if you want to just do some swiggles right here, but I opted just to leave that alone just because I felt like it looked pretty good without it. Very nice and simple. Now the unit is a highlighted mix unit, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually really love this color mix. It's like a brown color at the base, but I love how the highlights come in closer to the root. So the highlights just pull through very nicely. I love how this is kind of like a 27 ashy blonde type of color. So it's not like brassy looking. It's very kind of nice and light. So you can definitely see that they did like a little bit of an ash to it. So it looks very natural, guys. I feel like you could do multiple styles with this one. You could do kind of like a half up, half down. The back is pretty secure on this unit. Now this unit, I only sprayed it down. And as you guys can see when I put the unit down on my head, it's practically glueless, guys. Like, you really don't have to glue it down. So because I did a hard spray now, I feel like once I lift this up, it's probably going to land back perfectly just like this. And I would like to mention I am a medium to average cap size, so the cap construction is pretty accurate. Like, this unit fit to the T. I did even adjust the hooks in the back. All I did was adjust the adjustable strap, and the unit fits my hair very secure. As far as shedding or anything, I don't see any shedding with this unit. I really don't play in the unit too much. Once I let it air dry, I put a little bit of Cantu leave-in conditioner and let it air dry, and that was that with the unit. I don't mess around with them. Once I, you know, get the style up, this is the style. It's more of like a natural wave type of curly look, and I absolutely love this. I feel like if this unit was maybe like 28 inches, it would be really pretty, or even something around like 14 inches like right here. If you were to snip like the ends off, I feel like a 14 inch or a 16 inch would look really cute, guys. It just looks natural and effortless. The density on this unit is not a big density, so it's a very natural density. So that's another thing that I like. Not all the times you want a very big, buff, curly type of unit. This one is more natural looking. As you guys can see, it looks very, very pretty, guys, and realistic. You guys can see, look at that color in the front. Even if you go ahead and switch this unit into a middle part, you're still going to get the color on both sides. And like I said, you could wear it kind of like in a semi-part, like make a semi-part, or you can just go ahead and flip it over like I just did. But either way, it just gives a really effortless look. I didn't want to do too much baby hair in the front just because I wanted it to look as realistic as possible, because not all the time, realistically speaking, you're gonna have like little baby hairs and stuff. But baby, the wig is giving what it needs to give. Very, very summertime, springtime, vacation vibes. The color mix is a perfect color mix for anybody to rock. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I will leave all the information down below, guys, including a coupon code. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one.